I am A and you are B. Can I talk to the manager? I saw your help wanted sign. What job do you have open? I'd like to apply. Yes, I can. Thank you. You are A and I am B. Begin now. Yes, I'm the manager. We're looking for a dishwasher. Can you operate kitchen equipment? Okay, here's an application form. You ask me these questions. The manager is the woman on the right. The job applicant is the woman on the left. The job is a dishwasher. The manager wants someone to operate kitchen equipment. The job applicant can operate kitchen equipment. Answer these questions. Who is the manager? Who is the job applicant? What is the job? What skill does the manager want? What can the job applicant do?